As we can see, the azygous vein drains directly into the superior vena cava as it's going in this direction, and then it's draining into the superior vena cava right here. Here's a close-up view. So you can see it. So you can see it is draining into the superior vena cava right here. This is the azygous vein, and this is the superior vena cava. What else can we see? We can see the hemiazygous vein draining into the azygous vein. Sorry, this is the accessory hemiazygous vein. And this is the hemiazygous vein, and this is the accessory hemiazygous vein. So those of you who are wondering about what level these two veins, they drain into the azygous vein, it's around T7. So let's start counting. T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the accessory hemiazygous vein, let's write this down on the left side, drains into the azygous vein at the level of the body of T7 vertebra. And the hemiazygous vein drains into the azygous vein at the level of the T8 vertebra.